Alright everybody, my name's Kevin. Welcome to my shop. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I had a turning video I had done on a bowl, a piece that I was working on, and it didn't come out quite as planned. It fell apart. We'll just say that. So it's 2 o'clock on a Sunday, and I need to get my video out for you guys. So after that happened, I was a little bit perplexed, and I said screw it. So what I did was I finished my project, sort of finished. I've got to figure out how to make a box. Okay. Let's see here. That's zoomed all the way out. I guess that'll work. But anyway, pardon me, but I'm going to sit down. It's been a long week and I'm tired. I know I'm complaining. I'm fat and old. So anyway, in a video that I did previous, and you can go back and look, I did aluminite poured with wood, which was box elder, and I made this bell, and this is going to Turner's Warehouse in Arizona with Chad Schimmel and his wife. They are doing a fundraiser for St. Jude for the kids. So I made this acrylic bell. It's got a wire piece holding the striker, and it's not a striker, it's called a clapper. A buddy of mine said you got to get that right. It doesn't do anything, but it looks like a bell. And then a day or two later I did another bell, and this is going to be my representation for the wood turning, and it's got a clapper in there that looks like crystal, and it's just a piece of aluminite that I glued on the end of the wood, and it does swing, but it doesn't really sound like a bell. It just sounds like two pieces of wood getting hit together. So that turned out pretty nice, looks really nice. And then today, when my other thing didn't come out the way I wanted, I finished up my other acrylic and wood piece that I had poured, and that's in that video, I poured acrylic and wood for St. Jude, and this is how it came out. Unfortunately, I'm going to send it anyway because I still think it's really pretty, but it cracked right here while turning. I think it got a little bit warm, but I repaired it and it still looks nice, and I think I got close to the golden means for third, and third, and it looks really good. My wife loved it. She said if nobody wants it out there for the auction for the kids, she said she's gonna, if we can find the auction and pay attention, if nobody buys it, she says she'll buy it back. So hopefully somebody will like this. Personally, I think it turned out really cool. It's got the red, blue, and green that I put in the mix. And if you love Christmas the way me and Tammy do, then you'll appreciate a handmade ornament like that. So anyway, the thing I'm trying to figure out now is how to make a box to put this in. And I don't mean a cardboard box. I would like to have a wooden box with, I'd like to do finger joints, but what I do want is a box that I can get some foam cut out to go around the bell and the ornament with the finial. These two I want to put in a box as a set. I think somebody that likes and collects ornaments would really like that. And hopefully it raises some money for the kids. So we'll find out later. I got to get a hold of Chad and see when the actual auction is, so we can, if I have to, I'll get in there and bid on these myself. So that's how much we like them. And the wooden bell, it looks really good. I mean, it's got the clapper in there with, it looks like it's crystal, and it's got a nice finish to it. I put that pattern on there with a chatter tool, and the wood has got a really nice look to it. Got a lot of figure in that side, and this side is just plain. It doesn't have. It just shows the grain, but this side, it's got a whole lot going on. So anyway, they'll make nice pieces for somebody to, if they don't put them on a tree, they can put them in a display, and if they do put them on a tree, it'll make the tree look that much better. I know I'm patting myself on the back here, but anyway, guys. Thanks for watching. Not my regular kind of video turning a piece, but I showed how I poured the acrylic in box elder, and then I showed how I turned the bell, so you can go back in my videos and look at those. So if you like this, if you like what I'm doing personally, give me that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it with some of your friends, tell them what I'm doing over here, and maybe somewhere along the line I can help somebody out. So hey, happy Sunday. That's all I got today. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.